Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eman and it is here, New Year's Eve. I can't believe it is the end of the year, you guys. 2019 in just a few days. It's so crazy. To say that this year was a roller coaster is such an understatement. I have to say, I'm looking forward to putting 2018 behind me and moving on to a fresh start. But before we can do that, we gotta do one final look for this year. And I wanted to do a full glam makeup to end the year off. I love how this makeup turned out. I think this is the perfect New Year's Eve vibe. You could really play up this look with other things like accessories, your outfit, your hair. This is like my favorite time to get ready. New Year's Eve, I always go all out. So I hope you guys have fun trying this makeup. And I only use one eyeshadow palette. It's a very special palette. I can't wait to show you guys. And it's a super easy look to do. So without further ado, let's get into the final makeup look of 2018. I can't believe it. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, so my base is already done. I'm gonna go straight into the eyes, the really fun part of this look. And today I'm going to be using the brand new BH Cosmetics and Sylvia Gani eyeshadow palette. I am so excited about this because Sylvia is actually one of my really good friends here in LA. I love her and I'm so happy she came out with this palette. I'm so excited to use it for this look today. And we're gonna do a really, really beautiful, fun look that's like perfect for New Year's Eve. And I feel like for New Year's Eve, it's really a time that you can go all out, don't hold back. But at the same time, I feel like a lot of times people end up doing the same type of look for New Year's Eve. They'll do like glitter and all that kind of stuff. I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I just want this to be like a super sexy, sultry makeup look that will look good with any outfit that you guys end up choosing to wear. So I'm starting off with a little bit of concealer as base on my eye. I'm gonna actually take a little bit along my lower lashes too. With this look today, you could really pair it with any outfit. It's gonna work on so many different skin tones and so many different eye colors. So I think you guys are going to love it. I was actually inspired of this look from Sylvia's channel. If you guys don't know Sylvia's channel, you have to check it out. She's the cutest. Her videos are so fun. And she did a look with this palette using some really fun colors. So I think I'm gonna kind of pretty much follow her tutorial. I'm gonna link it for you guys below if you guys wanna see the original. And in the tutorial, she's actually filming it with her brother and he's so cute. So it's a really cute video. Okay, let's get into this, guys. So I'm starting off with this shade right here. So this is a really, when I first saw this color, I was like, okay, that's different. It's kind of this like mustard yellow. I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it or not. And it's a really interesting shade, but it works really well as a good transition shade for the crease. So I'm using this color mainly in my crease area and just working that back and forth. You could also use the shade S Club in the crease if you wanted to do something a little bit warmer. Keep building this color mainly in your crease, but I like taking it all the way across. So like from the outer corner all the way in, working that color up a little bit up towards your brows. My voice went up really high for a second there. I don't know why that happened. Next, I'm going in with the color S Club. I'm not taking this one as far up. I'm just really kind of focusing just on the socket. Now it's time for the fun colors. I'm going in with the shade Independent, and I'm using this starting with the outer corner of my eye. We're gonna really build this color. Guys, can you believe it's 2019, or it's gonna be 2019 and then it's gonna be 2020? It's gonna be 2020, like we're officially in the future. I think that is terrifying. I can't believe at some point we're gonna be saying, oh, the year 2022. Like we are the future. How scary is that? I think about this stuff way too much, but I'm super excited for the new year. So many exciting things to come. I am loving how this is looking so far. So I'm just going back and forth, building this color up, not taking it too far out, just kind of really keeping that in the crease area. Next, I'm switching brushes and I'm going in with a flat brush now, and I'm taking this color, Wild Child. This is more of a shimmery purple, and we're gonna pop this color all over the lid. This is why I think this is such a pretty look for New Year's. You could actually wet your brush before you do this. The great thing is you could use these eyeshadows wet as well. So I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. And we really want that shimmer from the purple to kind of come out. So wetting your brush will definitely help you do that. And this little bit of shimmer on the eyes is what really kind of like makes this so fun for New Year's without having to do glitter and like the traditional New Year's stuff. You know, just because it's New Year's, it doesn't mean you have to do glitter. I am packing this purple on. This is so pretty, you guys. These colors, if you have green eyes, hazel eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes, did I miss an eye color? Gray eyes. These shades will look so pretty on any eye shade. So I'm just packing this purple on until I get it to that deep, intense pigment that I want. So it's like really vibrant on my eyes. I love how this looks. I love that it's so shimmery without like having to add any actual shimmer. So this is perfect. All right, let's switch it up a little bit and move to our lower lash line. So I'm going to take the eyeshadow called S Club. It's kind of going back to that first brush we were using, and sweep that along my lower lashes. Oh my God, why do I keep doing that, you guys? Why do I keep, my voice just goes up in a higher octave. That's a very weird habit that I just picked up for no reason. Sweeping S Club all the way across. It's okay if this is a little bit thicker because we want this color to peek through. We're gonna build a bunch of other colors on top of it. So you want this color to actually be thicker so you can see it when you have the other colors there as well. Oh my God, I'm like so conscious of my voice now. I have to control it so it doesn't keep doing that noise. That was really weird. I'm gonna go closer to the lash line now and take the purple eyeshadow one more time, independent, pointier brush, and try to get this like right at the base of my lashes. Make sure you tap off the excess eyeshadow so you don't get any fallout. So we're gonna get a little bit of that purple peeking through. And with that same pointy brush, I'm gonna go in with the black eyeshadow. I love that she included a black in this palette because you really need a good black shadow. So I'm using Unapologetic, and I'm taking this just a little bit right at that V in the outer corner, just to deepen it a bit, but not too much. And then I'm taking a little bit along the lower lashes on my bottom lash line, but just on the outer corner as well. So I'm not bringing this all the way in. I just kind of want to smoke out just that outer corner. So once you have that on with this brush, then I like to go in with my blending brush. The month of December, there was a little bit of a different vibe on my channel. If you haven't seen all the videos I posted this month, I really think you should go back and check them out because there are some of my probably best videos that I've ever done. I feel like that's just my opinion, but I really do feel proud of all the videos that I posted this month, and there was like a good variety of different things. I talked about everything from my favorite skincare tip that I discovered this year, different makeup looks, different books that I've been reading. I did my apartment tour, I did a Q&A. So there are a bunch of great videos that I posted this month. So if you want to kind of just sit back and like binge, especially over the holidays, this is the best time to do that. I know that when I'm at my family's house sometimes, you know, all the chaos of being with your family, just turning on YouTube and watching a bunch of YouTube videos is like my escape. Next, I'm taking a black kohl liner. This is from Nars. This is their larger than life long wear eyeliner in Via Veneto. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. These names for these products are getting longer and longer. It's like 10 words just for a name. So I'm gonna pop this in my waterline. I want my waterline to be super dark and black, kind of taking it in the inner corner and going up, getting it into my lashes. So it kind of smudges in my lashes a bit. So the last part of this eyeshadow look, I'm going to take the shimmery shade Prince and use that as my pop of highlight just right in the inner corner. This is totally gonna make your eyes open up and look super bright. I love it. Let me know in the comments below what are all the different video ideas you guys would love to see in the new year. And it can honestly be anything. It can be, I feel like there's a certain direction that I want to take my channel, and I've already kind of started. So anything, as long as it makes sense, I am definitely open to ideas. So leave them for me below because I love always hearing you guys' feedback. For lashes, I'm gonna go a little bit more glam since it is New Year's. I have this lash set from Ardell. This is the most amazing lash package. It is their wispies and they have all the different styles. This is like the perfect Christmas holiday present if you guys are looking for a present for that ultra glam beauty girl. Any girl would love this lash set. So I think I'm gonna go with something like maybe the double wispies, just something so it's gonna give us a lot of glam. People always ask me what are my favorite lashes, and hands down, Ardell is definitely probably number one for me. I've been using their lashes for years and they just have so many different styles, and I find that their styles are the most wearable. So they come in natural, they come in more glam, and there's always like the perfect style that works for whatever makeup look you're doing. Let's finish up the skin. To warm up my face, I'm using the Lower Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Bronze Powder number 4. This is a beautiful color. It's funny, I've actually really fallen in love with Laura Mercier this year. There's just something about all of their products. They have so many products that are some of my favorite products. So I'm excited to use a lot more of their products in the new year. There for sure have been some like standout brands this year. Would you guys want to see a beauty roundup of 2018? Like best products, best brands, like all that kind of stuff? Are you guys interested in that type of video? If you are, let me know in the comments below, please. For this look, you want to go for a blush that is a bit more on the pinkier side. So you want something that has a lot of pink to it. I think that works a little bit better with these shades of eyeshadows. So I am using the Nars Orgasm blush, which has like a really beautiful pink, shimmery, warm, golden color to it. It has a little bit of like gold flecks in it as well. So it just looks beautiful on the cheeks. I want to do a nude lip with this look, so I'm going to start by lining my lips with MAC Whirl Lip Pencil. This is like one of those staple colors. It works on so many different skin tones with so many different lip shades. So if you're looking for like a great nude pencil to have, this is not a traditional nude. This is more of a pinky nude. If you want a good pinky nude in your makeup collection, I definitely recommend this one, MAC Whirl. I like how it's so close to my natural lip color, so you can barely tell I even have lip liner on, but my lips look really defined. Over that, I am taking the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Burnt Spice. This is going to be the base, and then we're going to do another color in the center of the lip that's a bit lighter to make it more of a nude tone. I love these retro matte liquid lipsticks from MAC. They've definitely been some of my favorite liquid lipsticks all year. Okay, I know this is quite a few lip products, you guys, but sometimes getting the perfect nude lip requires this. So next I'm going in with BH Cosmetics Liquid Lip in, oh my god, could this writing be any smaller? Holy! Okay, I'm gonna have to get back to you whatever the name of this color is, but it looks like that. And it's like a really pretty nude. So I like to put it in the center of my lip, kind of pat that in, and then blend it out with my finger. I usually do this a few times to get it to the shade that I want. And then it's okay if the outside is a little bit darker because we're gonna put a gloss over it and it's gonna blend everything in. And for the last part of the lip, I'm using this gorgeous gloss from Too Faced. This is called Sunset Crush. These just came out for holiday. They're so pretty and I love the packaging. And they have like this really pretty iridescent vibe to them. So it's another way to add like a little bit of glitz, a little bit of glam for your New Year's look without it looking too over the top and like cray cray. And I love, you know, like adding glam with my accessories, my earrings and all that kind of stuff, and like whatever you're wearing. Maybe you're wearing like a glittery outfit. It doesn't always have to be in the makeup. For the last part of the makeup, of course, we have to add some highlighter to give full glitzy glow all over our face. And I'm gonna be using this beautiful highlighter from the Sylvia Gani BH Cosmetics palette called Opal. So there are two shades, one that's darker, one that's lighter, depending on your skin tone. So I'm gonna go for the lighter one. I love to highlight right on the sides of my nose and a little bit on the side of the bridge of my nose. This just looks so pretty in pictures, especially when you're kind of like turning your head at different angles. It always looks beautiful. And then on the top of the cheekbone, I just realized that I haven't done my high pitch at all in the rest of the video. I'm so proud of myself. A little bit there, a little bit on the chin, all the key areas. And like, it's New Year's, you guys, so don't be afraid to go all out with the highlighter. This is a really, really pretty highlighter, so you don't have to worry about it like looking too crazy overboard. It's actually a very nice like texture, and it's shimmery enough, but it's not too sparkly, so it's very easy to layer, and it just looks beautiful on. All right guys, that is the final look all put together. I know you guys are gonna ask, my choker is from Topshop. I really wanted to go like full bling for this New Year's look, so what better way than to do it with a fake crystal choker. It actually, I think, was about $40, which is not bad for something so flashy, and I'm just wearing a plain black dress and really sexy heels. I really hope you guys have an amazing New Year's. A big congratulations to Sylvia. You did such a beautiful job on this palette. I absolutely love how this look turned out, and the really cool thing is, guys, if you don't want to do purples, you can totally create this exact eye look with any of the other shadow combinations. So you could either do it with the burgundies, it comes in a matte and a shimmer. You can do it in the bronze tones, it also has a matte and shimmer. You can do it with the blue and the black, so you can do it with so many different options. This is a great palette. You should definitely get your hands on it. I'm going to include a link for you in the description box below with everything else that I used today for this look. Happy New Year, you guys. I love you so much. Be safe, and don't forget, if you are bored and want to binge, make sure you go check out all my videos that I posted this month. I'm going to create a playlist for you right here, so you can just click on the box and check out all of this month's videos. Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to also add me on Instagram at Eman, because I post there every day. And I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye guys.